Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something super useful to check out, the Fanisic Mini Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. If you need a compact, powerful, and multifunctional cleaning tool for your car, home, or office, this might be the one for you. Let's dive into its features and see if it's worth your time. The Fanisic Mini Vacuum is not just a vacuum, it's a 3-in-1 device. It works as a powerful dust buster, an air blower, and even a hand pump. Whether you're cleaning tight spaces, blowing dust off delicate surfaces like a camera lens, or inflating a swim ring, this small but mighty device can handle it all. Weighing only 400 grams, it's lightweight and super easy to carry. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use, and with its cordless design, you don't have to worry about tangled wires. It's perfect for cleaning small crevices, keyboards, car interiors, or even sliding door tracks effortlessly. This vacuum comes with 5 accessories, including a brush and extended nozzle, to help clean different surfaces. The 8,000 Pascal suction power ensures that dust, pet hair, and crumbs don't stand a chance. Plus, it charges in under 2 hours with a USB-C cable and runs for about 15 minutes, enough for quick cleanups. The HEPA filter is washable and reusable, making maintenance easy. With a 0.2-liter dustbin, you can collect plenty of dirt before needing to empty it. Regular cleaning of the filter keeps the suction power strong. So if you're looking for a portable, efficient, and multi-purpose cleaning tool, the Fanisic Mini Vacuum is definitely worth considering. It's small but packs a punch. If you want to grab one, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome reviews. See you in the next video.